Tests determine treatment and discharge. This means that every time you come into our office, we're gonna measure to see how well your joints are moving, and we'll re-measure right after each treatment. You deserve to live your best life, and we do not want to have you as a repeat customer coming every week like most offices do for adjustments. If the test tells us that your range of motion has improved and your symptoms are lower than when you first came in, then we'll let you go and we'll be happy to see you doing the things you love. A good option that we give our patients is to go on a maintenance package, and based on the level of improvement, we start stretching you out for a month and a half, 3 months, just to keep you healthy and to keep your joints moving the way they're supposed to. So remember, tests determine treatment and tests determine discharge.